You skipped court, failed to report. You left a trail, you made it clear. He sees your bullshit, it smells weird. You're nasty, you're disgusting. You know you had it coming. Hands up, please don't shoot. Bitch, shut up, you're looking too cute. Every bounty, every county, every bitch I got around me. Charges mounting, dollars counting. We lock bitches up, this is Southland Bounty.
What's up, guys? I'm Patty Mayo. Welcome back to the hunt. We are about to pull up the rigatoni. That's how you guys know I'm bad with names, but I'm not bad with scuba. So go to floridascuba.com. Shop online at my scuba shop if you're coming down to the Florida Keys. Make sure you come dive with us, do a half-a-day dive chart or anything. Anyways, going after this rigatoni guy. Failure to appear warrant on an assault 3. If it looks like we're in Hawaii, it's because we're in the other Hawaii. We're in Florida, the deep south of Florida. And there are flippin' frickin' bugs everywhere, my guy. All right. It's a farm property. It's gonna be this property here. We got Colton, new camera guy. He probably follows behind me all day. He's only got one seat, and that's usually for my fugitive. You know what I mean? All right. Let's go get shit on. Oops, sorry, I turned the air off for the boys. Hey, how are you?
Fine.
I'm looking for Tony. My name is Patrick. I'm an officer of the court. I have a warrant to be here. I understand that this is his, his employment. You know who Tony is? You know what I'm talking about?
I've never met a Tony.
You've never met a Tony. Do you work here, just live here? Do you?
I'm just helping out.
Oh, okay. How long have you helped out here? How long have you been hanging around?
About 2 weeks.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who is your boss, your superior, your go-to?
I ran into some lady named Leah, and she said she could use some help. You know, nothing.
Where's Leah at?
She's not here. I don't know where she lives.
Okay. So if I was to go and find Leah's house, or where would it be? Is this a house or is this a stable? Where is there like a property where someone might live or reside or work?
I see people over there, but I don't know who lives over there. Like I said, I've only been here 2 weeks, and I'm just...
Like that guy in the military uniform? He looks like not probably that I would be after, right? Probably not a guy in a military uniform.
Who Tony is, so...
Well, that breeze is nice, huh?
Yeah.
It's not bad at all.
Yeah, I'm
So,
just here to...
Who are these ladies over here on these horses?
I think it's a lesson.
Is that part of this? Like is this one big business?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So where does the business start? Where does it end? So where did I actually enter the business at?
At that sign back there.
Out in the road? Mm-hmm. Way back out in the road? So you guys covered this whole thing. Okay.
From my understanding, yeah.
And then how far that way?
There's water that way.
Okay.
So
All right.
Again, I'm just here. I'm helping, taking care of the horses, making sure they have water in the heat. So
All right.
I don't know any Tony.
And your name is?
Do I have to tell you that? I don't.
What's your name?
I haven't seen any documentation.
What's your name?
or-
What's your name?
I'm just here to help the horses. I'm just trying to make sure.
Well, I don't understand why you don't want to give me your name. That's weird to me. That I'm just in natural conversation harassing you my ass, Karen. I'm just asking you a simple question. I'm here to serve a warrant. I'm looking for a guy. I'm asking you a couple of simple questions. I just asked you your fucking name. Now I understand why you're here with the horses. And understood, lady. Well, since you're just like a 2-week greenhorn, you just kind of stay over there. And I'll do my thing. Why is there a brick in front of this? Do you go in here?
I've never been in there.
Hello? Hello? That smell hits you.
Where is... Who is this?
Lady, you've been here for 2 weeks. You ain't got no business asking questions at this point. Shut up. Huh?
You're a peach.
I've been told. Hey, Bubba. Hi. Hi. Itch behind the ears. Do you little ear itch?
You have documentation to be here?
Yeah, I told you I have a warrant.
Yeah, we have so many papers.
That's my radio. That's my radio. That's my radio. What's this guy's name? You're so new, you don't even know the horse's names. Shut up. Yeah, silly lady. You're a good boy or a girl. Either one. You're pretty, huh? You're pretty. That's a girl. No, wait, hold on. I think it's your dick. What is that? What is that? What is it? Come say hi. Want more ear scratchings? Want more ear scratchings? Come here. Want more ear scratchings? Yeah. Oh, that's good. By the fan. Yeah, that's where I would stand. That's where I would stand. You're like my size. You're like a small horse. I'm a small dude. We could be partners. I could ride you. No, I have a dog. He'd be getting mad. That's my radio. Yeah. Please don't try to eat it. Okay. Hello? Holy. That's like a 10-hand horse right there. Hi. 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 I love horses though, so I sit in a car most of the day. Hi. You're beautiful. Okay. Bye-bye. Hello. Must be where the pony jumps over the little stuff. There's a little pony over there. All right. Let's keep it moving. Hope I don't smell like someone you don't like. Hi. 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 Yeah. If someone would be in there, they'd be dead. They're dead. Ponies! Mac, Isabel, and Olivia. Oh my God, you know your names. All right, which one are you? Are you Olivia and Isabel and Olivia? Hi. Hi. Oh, come on, don't have little man syndrome. Come on. Oh, there you go, see. Take it. Take the love. Take the love. Where's your fan, dude? Brave chicken just running around, about to get horse. Oh wait, there's a what you call it? There's a air conditioner on in here. Someone could easily live here, but not come through there. That's for sure. Okay, a rabbit in there. He's loving life. He's got the AC life. You need me?
I still would like to see that warrant.
Huh?
I still would like to see some sort of identity.
Why do you think you have any right to see anything at all?
Why do you have a right to come here?
Because I'm an officer of the court
Okay.
with a warrant and a certified copy.
I've never seen an officer just walk in and act like he owns the place.
No?
No.
First time for everything, huh?
Literally.
Yeah.
I'd love to see a warrant.
I bet you would. I bet you would. What else would you like to
Are
see?
you going to show anybody on this property why you're actually here in proof of
Would-
or are you just pulling out your ass?
Why don't you call my supervisor and you can obtain any information, you can ask him questions while I do my
You
job.
have that on you.
I don't have to have it on me.
You should.
Should and have is two different things. You have nothing to do with this
You
case.
have no right to be here.
That's not true. Do you want my supervisor's number, yes or no?
No, get him on the phone then.
Do you have a phone?
You can call him.
No,
He's
you're an
your
idiot,
supervisor.
lady. Here, Colt, come in here so I can close this. Go back to watering the horse or whatever you were doing.
And go back to being a fake officer, little G.I. Joe.
No, see, not an officer at all. Bail enforcement. It's the people that couldn't make it to officer. Still get to do the same thing, except you can't call anybody.
Mercenary Tony.
Except you can't call anybody and bitch about it. Oh, look what's up there. You can't call anybody and bitch about it. That's pretty much the difference.
Looking for imaginary people.
I'm looking for D. I'm looking really, and I'm looking for Tony and D's.
Looking for who?
D's.
Dean?
D's.
Dean.
Yeah.
Okay.
D's nuts.
And still no paper. Still no paper.
Got him. What the fuck am I doing walking on a field? I thought that barn was a lot closer. You got me distracted, Karen. You got me all fucked up.
You want the number?
Why don't you save the world and ride a horse? Uno, schwager. Schwager. You are a good buddy. You need to relax. All right, we're gonna peruse around here. Raven, if you want to get in and want to go to your car, and we'll just peruse around. Like I said, peruse. We're perusing. Let's peruse. To me, it doesn't look like that's the. Doesn't look like that's like the living office. And this guy is supposed to live here, not just work here. So. That lion bitch. Oh wait, hold on. I guess it's the same thing. I swear to God, I just saw someone in that train.
What?
In the train. See?
Oh. What is
There's a guy.
that? No, is it a train? Actually, a train?
Looks like a train. Huh? Hey, what's your name, bud? Patrick. Can I get your name, please? Okay, well, I'm doing an investigation. I'm looking for a defendant named Tony. If you're not going to provide me your identification, you're the only male I've come across on this property, so I have reasonable suspicion to believe that you may be my defendant. And so, at this time, I'm going to detain you. You're not free to leave. Do you understand? Yes, sir. Absolutely, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, the court. I'm an officer of the court, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Why don't you come out here and show me your hands so I can see what I'm working with you. Step out here for me. Sir, you hear the dog in my car, sir? What do you have in your hand there? Phone? Little spray paint. What are you doing? All right, cool. Hey, man, I'm not here to jam me up. I'm not here to be a dick or nothing like that. Just here to do a job. Simple. You got a failure to appear. I'm not even sure what the charges are. If it's embarrassing, I'm sorry. You know what I mean? So, I'm gonna let you know if you keep walking towards me, I'm gonna release my dog on you. Do you understand? Okay, fantastic. So, you wanna confirm me your name, please?
What's that?
You wanna confirm me your name? You wanna handle this like men? No, you don't? Okay, well, like I said, you're not free to leave. And at this time, I need you to turn around, face away from me, put your hands on top of your head. Failure to comply with my orders is gonna result in me escalating force on you. You could be hurt. You could hit you with tasers, tear gas, less lethal munitions from a shotgun, or a dog. Do you understand? By failing to comply, you're risking serious bodily injury. Do you understand?
Yeah, I hear you.
Okay. What's it gonna be, sir?
You can come take my hand.
You ready to go down to jail? You gonna be all right?
Yeah, come on.
All right, turn around, face away from me. You're gonna go down on both knees. I see. You're gonna get hit with tear gas. Oh shit, he's really running. I'm smarter than that. Get in the car.
Go, go, go.
You think you went straight?
I think you're straight, I don't know. There's his hat. There's his hat.
Instead of my siren, I was hitting the bad boy sound.
Where is he? Go. I see him.
Where?
He's
Where?
on a fucking kayak.
Huh?
He's on a kayak.
Where? You motherfucker.
Shoot him here?
Huh?
Can you shoot him here?
No. He can't really come back to land, can he? You should have got a boat with a motor, sir. What are you gonna do? A head start to what? Shitville? It's too deep to walk in, or is it?
No idea. Honestly.
Yeah, it's all silt. I'm just gonna sink up to my fucking knees.
It doesn't look that deep though.
Huh?
It doesn't look that deep.
No, it's not that deep, but look, it's all that silt. I'm gonna sink right in. Yeah, and that's pretty deep. I'll be up over my waist at some point. Dickhead went in the water. All right, well, we're gonna monitor him. Doesn't even have the oars in his hand right now. Sir, if you continue to paddle away, I'm gonna send my dog. He will bring you back. Life. Bolegen, uno. Life. Life. Loud. 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 Swagger. Sir! If you don't paddle towards me, I'm gonna send my dog. He will come and get you. Swagger. If you don't start paddling towards me, I will release my dog. Let's go and I'll put him up. Good boy. Four-legged. Off. Swagger. Wait till that bad man comes over here. The Kobos is trained for water. He will absolutely go in there and fuck him up on that kayak. And he'll get there and yeah, Uno wants it in a hurry. Good boy. Good boy. That's my 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 good boy. Four-leggy. Four-leggy. Off. Life. Life. Four-legging. Life. Kobos, life. Off. Raven, look out. What's that? Sir, you have two options. Here's what's gonna happen. You pull a knife or anything that's gonna harm my dog, I'm gonna harm you with this Glock 17. Okay? You do anything to turn away or run, you try to fight me, my dog's gonna immediately bite you. And then we're going to the hospital. Let's just go to jail. Here's what's gonna happen. You're gonna come up here right now. You're gonna get up here right now. Swagger. Life. You're gonna come up here right now. You do not control what's going on here, sir. Swagger. Get your fucking ass on this shore right now. Get your fucking ass on. Get your fucking ass on this shore right now. I'm not gonna handcuff you with my hands on the dog. Trust me. Sir, listen to me. Listen to me. You don't want this, sir. Get on the ground right here, right now, or I'm gonna let him go.
Put the dog away.
Kobos.
Not on me. Put
Bro,
it in the truck.
he's going. He's coming. Do you understand? Four-legging. Four-legging. Four-legging.
Put the damn dog in the car and I'll come with you. They goddamn it, man.
I'm going to. Get on the ground right fucking here. It's me and you out in the middle of fucking nowhere. Get on the ground right here, asshole.
Look, I'm not trying to be funny.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground and stay away from my dog. Get on the ground. Face on the ground. Colt, handcuff this asshole. My dog loves that man behind you. Life. 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 Good boy. Four-legged. Four-legged. Up. Good boy. That's a good boy, you know. That's a good boy, Kobos. Kobos, you got the blood, man. Life. All right, sir. If I were you, I would have just kept going because there's no way I'm sending my dog out there with a chance of drowning, you know what I mean? But you got it, sir. My name is Patrick. I'm an officer of the court. Here because you failed to go see us in court. Turn around. Tuck your knees up to your chest for me. And we're gonna stand up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right. You have any questions? What's going on? You are who I think you are?
I'm don't know.
Are you who I think you are?
I don't know.
It's gonna take a lot longer to process you than if you just tell me who you are. We can go to one place. Fine, let's go to 2 fucking places. Let's go to 2 fucking places. Let's go to Marathon. Let's go all the way to fucking Key West, right? Let's just go 2 fucking places. Awesome, that's what I love to do. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this one. I'm gonna sing Tony's kayak because he's a cocksucker. I'm Patty Mayo. It's Tony Baloney. I'll see you on the next one. In fact, you ran into, like, there's a security blow. I mean, I couldn't call anybody for that, but at least it would have been on. They watched it. I bet you they watched it.
What, they watched me outrun you?
Yep.